In this video, I will show you how to add an animated number counter to your Shopify store quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. Okay, so once we are signed up to Elfsight, the widget that we are looking for inside of Elfsight is called the number counter. So to add this, we want to go to search widgets here at the top, and we can search for number. And right here, we have the number counter widget. This is the one that we are looking for. So we can click into this, and it's now going to ask us to choose a template. So we can click through, we can take a look at all of these templates, and you want to choose the one that you think looks the best. All of these are completely customizable, so just keep that in mind when you are picking one. So I will go for this one. We can then click continue with this template. And in here, inside of the content, this is now where we can customize what is going to show up here. So we have two options here. We can either click in and we can just edit the ones that are already here. So for example, right here where it says 10,000 customers have been served, we can click in and we can say, let's change this from customers to countries. So we can say countries served, just like this. Instead of 10,000, we can then maybe change this to, let's say, 86. And then we can also go down here to the icon and we can click in and we can change this as well. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, like, if there's a globe or something, maybe something like this is going to be a lot better. Awesome. So that is the first option. Or what you could also do is go down and delete each of these and then add in the counter yourself and customize this in here. So that is how we can add the content. We can also add a widget title at the top here if we like. We can then go down to the layout and we can choose the number of columns, the space between each of these counters. We can go into the mobile settings and we can choose how this is laid out. We can then go down to the style, and in here, this is where we can customize the colors and the fonts and things like this. So we can change like the main widget background right here. We can change the counter background color, we can choose the number color and customize this in this area to make sure that this fits your website. Once this is fully customized and it looks how you would like it to look, all we then have to do is click on publish. And then Elfsight will take us over to this screen where we can now choose a plan. Now, the plan that you go for is going to depend on how many monthly views or monthly visitors, I should say, your Shopify store gets. So with this basic plan, this is going to allow us up to 5,000 monthly visitors. Pro is going to allow us up to 50,000 and so on and so forth. Now, this free plan is really, really awesome if you have a small website or if you just want to test Elfsight out. But keep in mind, this is pretty limited, like 200 monthly views. And it comes with Elfsight branding. So if you want to put this live and on your store where you're actually selling things, I recommend going for one of these paid plans. Once you have selected your plan, Elfsight is then going to give us this piece of code. And this code is how we are going to embed the number counter onto your Shopify store. So to do this, we just click on copy code. And then we can come over to the Shopify editor right here. In the editor, we just want to add a section. And the section that we are going to add is called custom liquid. So we can type that in, and then all we do once this is added is go to this liquid code box and paste in the code that we just copied. After a few seconds, this is now going to load in, and that is how you can add a number counter to your Shopify store.